Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. Welcome back to the National Defence University of Malaysia. Welcome to a new semester, and this is your final semester on campus. I wish you all the best for this semester, for this final semester. And as usual, should you have any problems whatsoever, do not forget to WhatsApp me or email me, or you can ask directly in our physical session. Ladies and gentlemen, this is LLS3773 Comparative Religious Studies, and this is 3 credit course for this semester. So let's have a look at what to expect for this particular course. So basically this is an introductory course, I would say, which covers 5 world's biggest or major belief systems. So we are going to study Hinduism, Buddhism, Judaism, Christianity and Islam, and a little bit of minor religions in between. So basically at the end of this, you will be able to have an understanding, or I would say an overview of the world's major religion. And to be honest, this is not to actually change your own belief, but rather to enhance your own belief system. So basically we are going to look at, because you'll be exposed to the core tenets of each religion, the historical background of it, the scriptures, the theologies, doctrines, rites, rituals, contemporary issues as well as developments. And of course, this course will include online lectures, readings, videos, as well as class debates and discussions. So ladies and gentlemen, in terms of the course learning outcomes, at the end of this semester, at the end of this course, all of you should be able to, 1, organize major religions of the world through the study of history and worldview effectively. So this is course learning outcome 1. Second, all of you should be able to compare to find similarities and contrast to find differences. Compare and contrast components of the major religions such as theology, ritual, myth, symbols, daily life and other critical components within the context of each unique religion accordingly. So this is course learning outcome 2. Last but not least, all of you should be able to justify the ultimate reality unique to each major religion, and also the differences as well as the broad similarities amongst major religions systematically. And this is course learning outcome 3. Ladies and gentlemen, in terms of course evaluations or course assessments, you have 2 tests, each 10% for individual. Written assignment, this is group assignment, or I would say not so much group, maybe pair or in 3. Written assignment, this is 10%. Then seminar in smaller groups, 15%. Field trip report, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to visit a place or several places where you have to prepare a report, and this is for 15%. And then of course, as usual, Al-Fatih e-learning portal, the assignments that you have to do online, 10%. Last but not least, final examination, 30%. Ladies and gentlemen, if you get above 40, of course, you pass the course. And these are the texts, the basic texts that we will be using. Most of it, I will provide the material through our Al-Fatih e-learning portal, the articles, and I'm going to share the ebook of some of this. And as I said, if you get 40% and above, you will pass the course. If you get 39, you fail, you have to repeat, and you cannot graduate if you do not repeat. If you get 40, you pass, but 40 is a D+. So be careful, ladies and gentlemen. As I mentioned earlier, this is the final semester on campus before you go for your industrial training. So that's it for the overview of our outline, what to expect, what to learn, the course learning outcomes, the assessments, and the references. I will see you again in the other video lecture slides, as well as for our physical classroom meetings or sessions. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum and greetings to all once again.